In this video, I will show you how to add apps to Samsung TV home screen. So to be able to add apps to your Samsung TV home screen, the first thing that you'll need to do is to turn on your TV. Now once you're on your TV, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and press the home button on your remote control. And then after that, select apps and then select the search icon in the top right corner. And then enter the app you want to download and select it. You'll see details about the app as well as screenshots and related apps. And then select install. To open the app, press the home button and simply highlight the app you want to select and to open. And that's basically how you can add apps to Samsung TV home screen. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.